Well, let's go across to Disha now for more. And Disha, so it does seem Carney is coming back. We don't know whether it'll be a minority or majority government. What does this now mean for India? Because he has promised to rebuild ties with India.
Absolutely, Gargi. So now the election results are really quite out in the open, and it shows that Mark Carney has secured another term for the Liberal Party, but it is likely that they will form a minority government since, as the numbers show here, the Liberal Party is just short about 5 seats to secure a majority. So they have secured 167 seats, and the majority mark was in fact 172. And we just heard Mark Carney give his victory speech, where he has made very strong statements against US President Donald Trump. To remind our viewers, US President Donald Trump and his annexation threats of annexing Canada as the 51st US state was essentially one of the deciding factors in this election, and which really many are saying secured this Liberal victory. And in fact, just to mention some of the points, he has said that Canada is now at a turning point and that Trump or the US will never own Canada. So very strong anti-Trump statements coming out from Mark Carney's victory speech. To talk about some of the other developments in this election, one of the key focuses, as you mentioned, from an Indian perspective, the NDP and Jagmeet Singh, who was the chief of the NDP, in fact lost his seat, and NDP in fact has, it's one of NDP's worst performances. They are only likely to secure 7 seats as the numbers mentioned here, and they are likely to lose their national status as a national party in Canada. So quite a big defeat for the NDP and even for Pierre Poilievre. So the Conservative Party chief was in fact leading in the opinion polls until January this year, when US President Donald Trump came back to office with his America First approach. It really, and his annexation threats towards Canada, it really turned the tables in the Canadian elections and in fact led to this, many would say, surprise victory of the Liberal Party and Mark Carney. So Mark Carney is a political novice, so this is quite a big victory for Mark Carney, and he's in fact said that he's pledged to be the Prime Minister for all the people. And now just to talk about some of the big newsmakers of this election, the heavyweights, and how they perform. So Mark Carney, in fact, is still leading in his constituency and is likely to win his constituency. But when it comes to Pierre Poilievre, he's likely to lose his seat. He's been consistently trailing in his constituency. Jagmeet Singh has also likely to lose in his constituency, and he's in fact already quit as the chief of the NDP, but he has said that the NDP will continue to do its work. So from an India perspective, NDP has often been seen as supporting separatists, Khalistani separatists, and in fact now the fact that his party is no longer going to be in the national politics in Canada is quite a big development when it comes to an Indian perspective. And when it comes to Mark Carney, really, to talk a little bit about Mark Carney and what he has so far said about India-Canada ties, he in fact has mentioned repeatedly that he's willing to look at rebuilding and resetting ties between New Delhi and Ottawa, which have been strained over the past couple of years. So the fact that Liberals have now secured this victory is quite crucial, and we'll have to wait and watch to see how the resetting of ties takes place.